Welcome to this video on AAI integrations. This is the overview. The purpose of this video is to explain the integration between automation analytics and intelligence, or AAI, and the scheduling solutions it supports. Most schedulers on the market have been integrated with AAI to provide a complete analytics and supervision solution. Each integration has different requirements and relies on different technologies. AI provides single pane of glass functionality. It sources data from heterogeneous sources, then normalizes and structures this data for consistency and readability. AI integrates with most of the schedulers on the market in the distributed cloud and mainframe worlds. We'll outline these integrations. As always, prior to working with AI and its various component parts, you should always check the compatibility matrix. Java is particularly important in this respect. Please check the documentation and the matrix before doing anything, since JVM requirements vary across components and versions. AI sources and then standardizes scheduling data from multiple scheduler sources to provide AAI functionality. The industry refers to these types of products as single pane of glass management solutions. Each data stream is acquired and then converted into AAI data, so that arcane object definitions like autosys boxes and atomic workflows become standardized AI job streams, ensuring consistency in AI services. Looking at the distributed side, we fully support Broadcom's autosys and atomic, as well as Tidal Enterprise Scheduler, BMC's Control-M, and IBM Workload Scheduler. From this point forward, we'll refer to these solutions as what's indicated in quotes. On the mainframe, we support Broadcom's ESP and CA7, as well as the BMC and IBM products. Integrations vary. Some integrations are native. Some require a connector based on the connector framework technology. One, IBM, requires a connector based on a Tomcat web server. Most mainframe schedulers require additional elements to be installed in z/OS. AI integrates with a number of cloud schedulers, Airflow, Google Cloud Composer, and Amazon Managed Workflows, supported by the same Airflow package. Finally, AI provides development tools to design custom integrations for schedulers not listed here. Some integrations, like Broadcom's autosys and Tidal, do not require anything. AI connects directly to the database over JDBC. Atomic and distributed BMC Control-M require the connector framework, a software component designed by Broadcom. On the mainframe, Control-M and ESP also use the framework. Note that ESP requires additional z/OS components, while Control-M does not. CA7 does not require any sort of connector software, but some installation and configuration work is required in z/OS. IBM Workload Scheduler, both distributed and mainframe, uses the same connector, which is based on Apache Tomcat technology. The Z version requires additional z/OS software components. The Airflow integration uses the connector framework as well. Data acquisition cycles have to be defined, irrespective of scheduler. There are two polling services. The converter turns inherently static data streams like job definitions into job streams. As a result, polling is set on a very low frequency so as to not impact performance. The Jammer service acquires dynamic data streams like events. Potentially tens of thousands of jobs execute every hour. The Jammer will run on a much tighter cycle, say 30 seconds. Cycles are defined differently based on the scheduler. For the original integrations like autosys, polling frequencies are set once in the config tool and apply to all instances of both autosys and Tidal. For Atomic, Control-M, ESP, and Airflow, polling frequencies are set at the level of the connector. This means each scheduler can have its own polling frequencies. Finally, cross-instance dependencies are supported for specific combinations of schedulers, like autosys and CA7. In the case of supported cross-instances, if you build batch processes with dependencies that run across schedulers, say a CA7 job leading into an autosys job, leading back to another job in CA7, AI models this accurately and you'll see those dependencies in the job stream. For unsupported combinations, AAI does not natively model those dependencies. Obviously, sequencing is possible, but AAI does not have a built-in data model to properly reflect them. You'll need to build technical jobs in the schedulers which AI will recognize. You should contact your Broadcom client team to obtain the complete list of supported cross-references dependency groups. Thank you. This concludes the video.